The all-new Swift X looks amazing. Its aluminium chassis provides a strong, sturdy base to its powerhouse of performance, and its sleek and stylish design looks beautiful and modern. Our Swift range has been very well known for being thin and light, and Swift X does not fall short here, as it is less than 18mm thin and weighs less than 1.4 kilograms, meaning you can take this anywhere you want. It would be easy to assume that a laptop this compact won't pack much of a punch in performance. But the Swift X has got a lot to give. That's thanks to its Ryzen 5000 processor and an RTX 3050 Ti graphics card, making this quite the formidable gaming and content creation laptop. Now, it's not going to be like our Nitro or Predator series laptops, but thanks to its inconspicuous looks, modern styling and premium features, it's going to really hold its own in the gaming space and look incredible whilst doing so. Despite its slimline design, it comes equipped with thermal pipes and an ultra-quiet cooling fan. All these components work together really well to send a beautiful, crisp image to its 14-inch HD display. The Swift X will deliver all-day battery life of up to 14 hours. And to help you stay connected to the world, it comes with USB-C, Wi-Fi 6, and it's even got a fingerprint reader. So in summary, the Swift X is beautiful and sleek, lightweight and stylish. It's a fantastic laptop for work and play, with it blending the latest 30 series graphics card and the convenience of all-day battery life. We are really excited to bring this to the market. Let us know what you think down in the comments below.